2011 INFINITI G37. What we got done on it for you guys. Still got factory converters there and there. Then it wires into a single. Then it wires back out. We did a resonator delete there. And then we also did a muffler delete right there and right there into 4-inch blue flame tips. Straight pencil cut. There and there. So that's how you do a muffler delete on these. And a resonator delete. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. I think it's going to sound phenomenal. 2012 INFINITI G37. What we got done on it. Still got factory converters there and there. Then it wires into a single. Then it wires back out. So I guess that's their way of X pipe. And then we did a resonator delete right there and right there. When we kept the muffler, these come with a gigantic muffler. As you guys can see, he didn't want it too loud. So we'll see how she sounds. So it's just got a resonator delete on it. There it is. INFINITI G37, 2012. There's the 2 resonators we took off. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. G37, guys, not G35. G37. Here's sound decibels. 121. Wow. That thing's loud. We love it. Hope you guys love it too. If you guys want the link to the tips, hopefully we'll find one for you guys and leave it in the description. There's a side view of it. What you guys hear on the inside? What do you think? You want it louder? It's perfect. Sound decibels. Move that away from the sun. Again? Can't. Again? One more? Sound decibels is at 102. Go ahead and back it up.
Is it alright if I like set up my camera and do a spot there?
Yeah. What you guys hear on the inside? Show me what this thing's got, man. Give a guess. Go again. Go again. Give it gas.